People's Prime Minister Narendra Modi turned 71 on Friday. On his birthday, wishes poured in from across the country and the world. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, several union ministers, governors and chief ministers of states greeted the PM on his birthday, wishing him prosperity and a long and healthy life. President Ramnath Kovind, while wishing Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his 71st birthday, said, "Heartiest birthday greetings and best wishes to Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. I wish you good health and long life, and that you continue to serve the nation with your well-known spirit of Ahernisham Seva Mahe." Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu wished the Prime Minister on his birthday, saying, "My best wishes to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji on his birthday today. His exceptional vision, exemplary leadership and dedicated service have led to all-round growth of the nation. May he be blessed with a long, healthy and happy life ahead." Union Home Minister Amit Shah too wished Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his birthday, tweeting, "Happy birthday to the most beloved leader of the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I pray to God for your good health and long life." Modi ji not only gave the country the idea of thinking ahead of time and proving its resolve with the culmination of hard work, but also showed it by making it a reality. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh too wished Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his birthday, tweeting, "Happy birthday to Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. Known for his decision-making ability, imagination and vision, Modi ji's resolve to make India self-reliant is a symbol of his vision and strong willpower." Wishing the Prime Minister on his birthday, Union Finance Minister tweeted, "Greetings to Narendra Modi on his birthday. My prayers for his long and healthy life. Dedication to Ma Bharati has guided his every step. Very reassuring to have such leadership at such challenging times. Honored to serve under his guidance." Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav too wished the Prime Minister, saying, "Happy birthday to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the creator of New India's elixir, the Yug Purush of this century." West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar planted a sapling at the Raj Bhavan on the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 71st birthday. A bicycle rally was organized on the occasion in Pune, Maharashtra, which was flagged off by Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyare.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी हमारे देश की शान है और वे एक सामान्य व्यक्ति से असाधारण व्यक्ति बने हैं। केवल इसलिए पैदल साइकिल से चलकर मेहनत करके वो यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं और हम उनकी दीर्घायु की कामना करते हैं। आज मेधा ताई ने जो कार्यक्रम किया साइकिल रैली का, ये वास्तव में प्रशंसनीय है। ये पर्यावरण के लिए, प्रदूषण के लिए यदि आवश्यक है। मैं उनका अभिनंदन करता हूँ और साइकिलिस्ट का भी अभिनंदन करता हूँ।
On the occasion of Prime Minister Modi's birthday, a service day program was organized in Gurugram in Haryana and was attended by Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. BJP workers donated blood at the blood donation camp. The UP government has started the Vikas Utsav, which will last until October the 7th, celebrating the Prime Minister's birthday. The Utsav began today with the Vishwakarma Shram Samman Yojana, under which toolkits were distributed to 21,000 trained beneficiaries across the state. The Bharatiya Janata Party has launched the Service and Dedication campaign, under which an exhibition of photographs of Prime Minister Narendra Modi since his childhood till today have been put up at the BJP office. The exhibition, which was inaugurated by BJP's National President JP Nadda, showcases a glimpse of the Prime Minister's administrative experience of last 20 years, starting from his tenure as the Chief Minister of Gujarat to becoming the Prime Minister of the country.
हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने देश की राजनीतिक कार्य संस्कृति को बदल कर रख दिया है। आज उनके नेतृत्व में जातिवाद, परिवारवाद और तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति की जगह विकासवाद की राजनीतिक संस्कृति प्रतिष्ठित हुई है और देश के अन्य सभी राजनीतिक दलों को इस राह पर आगे बढ़ने के लिए विवश होना पड़ा है। आदरणीय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बल्कि प्रधान सेवक के रूप में देश की सेवा की है।
Various programs are being organized across the country under this service and dedication campaign. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur, along with Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jairam Thakur, visited Shimla's Kamla Nehru Hospital and distributed fruits to the patients on the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday. The minister said that the Prime Minister has connected every section of the society with the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Digital India campaign. In Chennai, Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting L. Murugan distributed free fish among the people celebrating Prime Minister's 71st birthday. He also participated in a cleanliness drive. Prime Minister Modi's birthday was celebrated in all other states of the country as well. BJP leaders in Kerala performed special pujas in several temples. A special cleanliness drive was conducted in Nagaland on the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday. It was also attended by Chief Minister Nifu Rio. In Vijayawada too, the BJP launched a special service dedication campaign. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan inaugurated an exhibition in Bhopal. On the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday, the process of a public auction of gifts received by him in the past has also started. The money raised from this auction will be donated to the Prime Minister's Namami Gange mission. Overall, people from across the country are wishing their beloved Prime Minister a long and healthy life by greeting him and celebrating his birthday in different ways. Bureau Report, DD India.
Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi thanked the countrymen for their